Hey Cardinal fans, today I'll be unboxing the Stanley Musial Tumbler. It was part of a special promotional giveaway for the first 25,000 fans age 16 and older, sponsored by Coca-Cola and QuikTrip for this Saturday, June 22nd, 2024 game between the St. Louis Cardinals and the San Francisco Giants. So as you can see, this is a beautiful box featuring Stan the Man Musial, Hall of Famer, Cardinals legend. Let's go ahead and unbox this. Now, fortunately, the Cardinals won 9-4. It was a very exciting game. So what's included in this box? You get this stainless steel straw. Okay. And take a look at this. Now, Stanley has been selling a lot of these tumblers, and this is definitely a special limited edition one. Stanley Musial number 6, Coca-Cola, very nice and sturdy, solid construction with a very nice handle. So this can hold 30 ounces. All right, you got Stan Musial's signature on the top. Look at it in here. Wow, solid stainless steel. And what else is in here? Oh, featuring instructions and this sippable straw, which you can insert it through here. Okay, so as you can see, this is solid construction. Very nice for keeping liquids cold or hot. And it was a hot summer day. It was like 97 degrees today. So it was definitely super hot, but I'm glad the Cardinals won, and hope you guys like this because this is definitely a special limited edition and a must-have for any Cardinals fans edition. I know I'll be using this on a regular basis, and definitely, most importantly, I'll be drinking more water. Stay hydrated, my friends, and let's go Cards.